Hello everyone, PS from PS Invest Plays here today. Since March 2020, CrowdStrike stock has risen 540%. And in 2021 alone, it is up 24%. Now, many analysts believe that the stock is overpriced, with sky-high valuations. Is this true? And should you buy CrowdStrike stock now? In this video, we will understand its business, its financials, its future outlook, and review its charts using Elliott Wave to see how we can make money. So, stick around. I think you'll like what I have in store for you today. CrowdStrike, ticker CRWD. CrowdStrike provides cloud-delivered solutions for endpoint and cloud workload protections in the United States, Australia, Germany, India, Israel, Romania, and the United Kingdom. It offers 19 cloud modules on its Falcon platform through a software-as-a-service subscription-based model that covers various security markets, such as corporate workload security, security and vulnerability management, managed security services, IT operations management, threat intelligence services, identity protection, and log management. The company primarily sells its platform and cloud modules through its direct sales team. CrowdStrike was incorporated in 2011 and is headquartered in Sunnyvale, California. I had covered CrowdStrike a couple of months ago, and you can watch my video by clicking on the link in the top right corner. In the previous video, I had extensively covered why CrowdStrike is an excellent buy and why it is poised for secular growth in the next couple of years. Today, I wanted to provide an update to my viewers on CrowdStrike stock, as many analysts think it is overvalued. The global cloud security market is estimated to be $34.8 billion in 2021 and is expected to reach $67 billion by 2026, growing at a CAGR of 14.2%. While CrowdStrike views their TAM at just under $43 billion, with new offerings and accelerated emphasis on IT security, CrowdStrike believes its TAM, or total addressable market, could reach over $100 billion in 2025. So the opportunity pie is increasing quite rapidly. CrowdStrike's sales have been booming, and the company is currently the largest pure-play security vendor by market capitalization. CrowdStrike's revenue surged 93% in fiscal 2020, which ended in January of that year, and rose 82% in fiscal 2021. Its revenue increased another 70% year over year in the first half of fiscal 2022, and it expects its revenue to rise 59 to 61% for the full year. Due to this accelerated growth, it has been added to the NASDAQ 100 index. CrowdStrike served 2,500 subscription customers back in January 2019. That figure hit 13,000 in its latest quarter, representing 81% growth from a year earlier. 66% of those customers had also adopted 4 or more of its cloud-based modules, up from 57% in the prior year quarter. Magic number. A common metric used by private equity investors and strategic buyers to measure the performance of SaaS companies. The magic number is the product of a simple equation. Start with the difference in new customer revenues between the most recent 2 quarters. Divide that number by the earlier quarter's advertisement between the most recent 2 quarters. Further, divide that number by the earlier quarter's sales and marketing total expenditures, people and program dollars for acquiring new customers. Finally, multiply by 4 to annualize. A magic number greater than 1 is a compelling business environment. A result below 0.5 is a company that has not figured out an efficient go-to-market model. And a result in between is a company that needs improvement before scaling. A company with a magic number above 1.5 is amazing. CrowdStrike has a magic number of 1.4. Now let's look at the financials for CrowdStrike. Looking at the revenue, gross profit, EBITDA, net income, EPS, earnings per share, for CrowdStrike, they have increased considerably. Even if you discount 2020 and compare 2021 financials with 2019, they have increased by a very good clip. In the chart on the right, free cash flow, FCF, currently stands at $1.71 per share. Stock price has increased in line with increase in FCF, suggesting that the stock is not overvalued. Some of my very highest gains have been coming from growth stocks that start with high valuations. But as we have seen here with CrowdStrike, there is a good reason for the relentlessly growing price. There is very real growth. The customer base is increasing, cash flow is increasing, and the security market is likely to be on fire for years. Therefore, given CrowdStrike's tremendous opportunities ahead, its stock doesn't look expensive now. This is also indicative in the charts where I see the stock price to increase considerably in the next 2 to 3 years. Now, let's look at the charts for CrowdStrike. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell icon so you're notified when I upload a new video. Looking at the charts for CrowdStrike, the bull run that started in 2020 is still not over. It has completed its first 2 waves, and currently the strongest bull wave, which is wave 3, is underway. If we look deeper in this wave, we can see that wave 1 and 2 are over. Again, wave 3, which is the strongest bull wave, is underway. Wave 3 is typically 161.8% of waves 1 and 2, giving us a short-term price target of $383.75. After this wave is completed, I expect wave 4, which is a retracement wave or pullback wave, to resume. Wave 4 is 38.2% retracement of wave 3. Again, giving us a target of $301.54. After this retracement is over, I expect wave 5 to resume, which is again typically a 161.8% inverse of wave 4, giving us a final target of $433.56, which translates into a 75% profit from today's stock price. You can expect this price target to hit in the next 2 to 3 years. Now, let's summarize. As I said earlier, primary wave 3 is not completed. The current stock price for CrowdStrike offers excellent entry point. Hold it for the next 2 to 3 years, as I expect the stock price to hit $433.56, which translates into a 75% profit. What do you think of this analysis? Please leave me a comment and let me know. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell icon so you're notified when I upload a new video. Until then, bye-bye.